Kelly, go for it. Phone. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Shelter from troubled winds.
You're my anchor in life's ocean.
But most of all,
You're my best friend. Okay.
you placed gold on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me.
Good.